So you've logged into your Linode manager. Let's go ahead and create our testnet node. I'm going to use a stack script to do it, but let's create our Linode first. I'm going to click Add Linode. I'm going to choose a 2 GB instance because it just runs really fast. And let's choose London, add this Linode. So it's being created right now. I'm going to go ahead and label it for this demo. I'm going to go to Settings and call this Testnet Demo. That way I don't accidentally get it mixed up with another one that's running. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that one by clicking on it. And I want to click Rebuild. I'm going to deploy using a stack script. There's a public stack script that's already available. It's called the Lynx cryptocurrency installer, Debian 9, and I'm going to use the full swap that's available. I'm going to type in a default password. This is the default password for the root account. Okay, so it's imaging the machine. Now the machine is ready to boot. Let's go ahead and boot the machine. The Linode is now booting up. It's going to execute the stack script Lynx cryptocurrency installer. Let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick while we're waiting for it. And I'm going to show you what that installer looks like. All it is the one-line script from the LynxCI GitHub. Now that it's booting up, let's go take a look at it. We're going to use the serial connection, the console access that Linode provides. The machine's probably still booting up. Looks like it just finished booting up and it's running the stack script right now. Now that the stack script is finished, let's go ahead and log into the root account. We can see that the LynxCI folder was created. We want to go into that one. And then we want to edit the install shell script. All we need to change to go from the default environment of mainnet to testnet is the environment variable on the first line there. Change that to testnet. Control O to save it and Control X to get out. Now when the node renders itself in 15 minutes, actually in 1 minute from now, it's going to run the install script that we just edited, and that install script is going to tell the node, don't build it out for mainnet, but build it out for testnet instead. There's a bunch of conditionals in the script that will build it out, the other ports and configuration for mining addresses and such. But that's the only change that you need to make. You're all done. You can now log out of the machine. In about 30 minutes, this 2 GB node will finish rendering, and the network, it will start mining on the testnet network. You're all done.